Hi everyone, so just thought I'd do a quick video. So I've been doing a lot of work on my turntable of late, and I keep posting videos, and I keep hearing a lot of people asking what drive mechanism I'm using, where can you get this kit, etc, etc. So what I thought I'd do is I thought I'd do a little video on it. So this is basically a Peco turntable. Now it's pretty much standard, other than the fact that I've modified it a little bit just to get 360-degree power to the bridge. So the little ring that sits underneath here is one complete ring as opposed to two separate ones, and then what I've done is I've basically called that one track polarity and brought it up with a wire to one rail, and then the center pin, which is brass, comes up through and carries the other polarity, and that then is soldered to the other rail, and that's basically all modified under the bridge. So that's basically to get the 360-degree power. Right, so what I'll do now is I'll come to here and show you the kit. So this is basically the stepper motor and the drive plate, and then the standoffs that basically he supplies in the kit. I'll try and get a shot. There's the coupler, which needs to be modified admittedly for my 360-degree table, so I need to get an insulating one because the stepper motor is not insulated. The drive shaft of the stepper motor isn't insulated from the rest of the motor, so at the moment it's not connected to DCC. That unit there is a dual frog juicer, and as you can see it's disconnected at the moment. That's because obviously the issue with the non-insulation from that point there. If I then pan round here, so this is his kit. So this board here is an Arduino Mega. This is an add-on board at the moment which I'm doing some testing on, which is for this display interface. Very simple to use, very intuitive. You've got the dial there which you turn, and then basically you click it to then activate the desired enter the desired function you want. So unfortunately at the moment I haven't mounted this yet, so it's a bit crude, but yeah, you just literally click it. It asks you tail or head, so we'll say tail, and then it'll say it's moving. Look at your bridge, and as you can see it's moving. So you can adjust all the speeds and everything with it, so it's really good. I'll wait for that to finish, and then I'll just take you into the menu to try and show you. So this button in the middle here is basically to enter the menu. And then as you can see, you've got speeds, different number of indexes, different revs, and then by going into this menu here you can then basically configure your outputs, and you can do it live as well, so you can actually watch the table turn while you align it up. So the system itself is pretty simple to use. You've got 3 wires there that basically go onto a hall sensor, which is mounted on the side of the turntable. You can't quite see it because all my wiring's in the way, but it's up here basically, and you put a magnet onto the end of the deck. So that's basically your head, position number 1 head. So that's quite a nice little feature. This is a dedicated cable that comes off to your stepper motor over here, and then basically you've got your power input there. In this case I'm using a 12-volt 2 amp because of the display. I would guess a 1 amp would be fine before. Your DCC inputs are those two there, and then by sending a DCC command to it, you can turn the bridge as well. So if I come over to my computer and I say 200 green, that will then go to 1 head. Got to go all the way around now. So yeah, the only thing I left off is on this end I've put a little right angle bracket on the end of it and then hung the magnet down. You can't really see it at all in there I have painted it a little bit though, so I don't quite see a shiny silver thing. Yeah, I'm in the process of painting the bridge and weathering it, getting it to the same standard as the well. So by that having there, I should now be able to go under here, and you can see the magnet, the hall sensor's basically illuminated. That's only for when it first starts up. So you first turn it on, and the turntable basically does a full rotation until it finds the start point, as it were, and then basically the stepper motor can then work from there. So it's very clever. I hope that's a bit of more of an informational video for you guys. I hope that helps. It's certainly been really interesting for me, having never done a turntable on a layout before. This is the first one I've ever done, so I'm quite looking forward to some feedback and some comments, and working further with Ian from DCC Interface to make this product better. I certainly know that a few of you guys have been asking me a lot of questions about the indexing and can it go up to 24. The answer is, at the moment I can only see 10 on there, but with firmware upgrades and different sort of scripting in the Arduino, I don't envisage any problem with it going up to 24. Anyway, hope that's good. Cheers guys, thanks.